So, hello everybody. This is your English teacher Shivam Chobe. I hope you are fine there. So, today we will going to discuss about our first chapter of our book. So, our first chapter name is the echoing green. Then, firstly, here is written echoing. Echo. What is the echo? Echo is a thing that when you make a sound and when that sound is already propagating in return, then that is the echo. And after that, here is written the sun does arise. The sun does arise यानी सूरज उगता है. And make happy the skies, and then making the skies colorful. Happy the sky means all skies filled with brightness. The merry bells rings. Merry bells means the bell of church. Merry bells rings. The all when the early morning, the bells of temple and churches are always rings to welcome the spring. Welcome the spring. Spring is a season. Spring एक मौसम होता है. That like that when summer is a season and winter is a season, as like that spring is a season. जैसे in Hindi we can say that बसंत ऋतु. The skylark and thrush, the birds of the bush sing louder around. Means the birds are already like means sing very well. All the birds are sing louder. In louder means the more voice. Then louder means increasing the voice. Then birds are sing in a louder. Around means चारों तरफ. Then
I got supplies.
Then to the bell cheerful sound, while our sports shall be seen on echoing green. This mean when the sounds which will be provided by that bells are already cheerful. Cheerful means very sharp sound, and while sports shall be seen on the echoing green. And the sports means like that the boys playing everywhere, then already that echoing means already that sound is coming return on their ears and they can listen that return. Old John with white hair. Here is a explanation of a man whose name is John. He is old man and his hairs are white. With white hair does laugh away care. What he laughs away there, वो क्या करता है कि हंसता है. Sitting under the oak. Oak is a tree and that old man is sitting under that tree. Among the old folk, they laugh at our play and soon they all say. Means they are sitting. Folk means a bench, like a bench. Folk is like a bench. They are sitting among a folk and they laugh at our play. They seen that boys playing and they are laugh to sing that. And soon they all say, and they say already, such were the joys when we all girls and boys in our youth time were seen. In our youth time were seen means like that. इसी तरह से हम भी जॉय करते थे यानी आनंद लेते थे. When we all girls and boys, जब हम भी लड़के थे बच्चे थे. In our youth time we seen, अपने बचपन के समय में जब हम थे तब. After that on the echoing green, like that same facts are happened with them. Like that when here is like that echoing green, like that at that time, till the little ones weary no more can be merry. The sun does decant, descant, and our sports have an end. Means like that there is no any types of limit of their joys, and they also feel that as like that the sun is decant at that time and our sport is going to have end, यानी हमारे भी स्पोर्ट का ऐसे ही अंत होता था जब सन डिकैंड हो जाता था, यानी कि मध्यांतर में आ जाता था. राउंड द लैप्स and their mothers, many sisters and brothers, like birds in their nest. यानी एक साथ एक परिवार में कई भाई बहन एक साथ खेलते थे चारों तरफ बैठ के. लाइक दैट द बर्ड्स आर सिटिंग इन अ नेस्ट, जैसे चिड़िया घोंसले में बैठती हैं उस तरीके से. लाइक बर्ड्स इन देयर नेट्स आर रेडी फॉर रेस्ट, जैसे वो रेस्ट करते हैं उस तरीके से. एंड स्पोर्ट्स नो मोर सीन on the darkening green, and sports no more seen on darkening green. Then after when when they are going to rest, the rest no more seen, यानी कि उसके बाद फिर देखने को नहीं मिलता था वो आनंद जब सभी रेस्ट के लिए चले जाते थे. and before that they are making more noise and enjoying so much. So in this poem the poet described about the life of our childhood, and in this chapter poet wants to tell about the detail of childhood. And this poem has been composed by William Blake, who is the very popular poet of the English. So you have to learn completely about this chapter and study completely about it and completely understand about every Hindi meaning of this sentence or every meaning of this sentence. And you also find the new words is here. These are the words which is related to word meanings, and or more words are related to word meanings in which I will tell you about that. Understand? Thank you.